The war is on, but the gold is gone. Why? What happens to this yellow? What happens to this gold? There is a fact that when there is a war, gold goes up more and more. In war, the government spends more money on the weapons, army, and emergencies. Sometimes they print money or borrow money for spending in the war, like there is no budget. This increases the money supply in the market. When there is more money on the ground, it loses its value. So investors buy the gold. They move their money to the safe haven, that is gold. At the same time, when there is a war, factories stop, import export stops, transport stops. So companies make less profit and their stock prices will also comes down. When the stock prices comes down, the company will not grow. So investors get panic and sell the stocks and shares, pushing the stock markets more down and down, and buy gold with that money because it's a safe haven asset. The gold is a safe haven. Gold is safety. It will not lose its value easily. Money does not walk to the gold in war times. It runs to the gold. But now in 2026, a different thing is happening. The war is happening, but gold is going down. In this war, Israel, with the US involvement, hit the big oil field in Iran, and Iran on revenge attacked oil and gas fields in Arab countries to make America pay more for gasoline and petrol to increase pressure on the US. This was the reason. When there is shortage of oil, petrol, diesel and gas, it results in transportation cost. When there is more transportation cost, foods and goods cost will also increase. When the lorry fuel cost is more, vegetable price will also be more. Okay, so crude oil is used for factories and electricity. When factory cost increases, production cost also increases. Therefore, product price also increases. So there comes a inflation. When fuel up, price is also up. What is inflation? A product cost 50, the same product, if product cost 50 rupees, will cost 100 rupees tomorrow. This is called inflation. Inflation happens when product costs rises. Money becomes weaker. Same money but less power. To control this inflation, the banks, the central banks, US Federal Reserve Bank and other countries' central banks will not decrease their interest rates. So they keep their interest rate unchanged or increase. So due to this, investors' money will move to the interest giving investments like bond, fixed deposit, as gold becomes less attractive because it won't give any interest rates. Because of this, US dollar will get stronger. This is the investors think. Okay, the gold is priced in the US dollar first. Everybody knows the gold is first priced in US dollar at LBMA in London. Then only it was converted to the other currencies like INR. First it was priced in US dollar. So the US dollar becomes strong means the cost of buying 1 USD will also increases. What is the US dollar strengthen? What is the US dollar become strong means? It is if 1 US dollar is equal to 89 Indian rupees today, and when comes tomorrow, that is the US dollar becomes stronger means 1 US dollar will be rupees 92. 89 was changed to 92. Even though gold is not increasing, the gold price will increase in other countries because of the strengthening of this US dollar. Because the gold was priced first in US dollar, it will cost more in other countries. So there will be less demand for gold to buy in other countries. When there is a less demand, the gold price will automatically comes down. So this was the reason the US dollar gets strengthening because of the interest rate unchanged. It won't get decreased due to inflation. So gold will not give any interest. It's only a safe haven asset. So the money moves to the bond, fixed deposits because of the US dollar strengthening. In this war, money goes where salary is given, not on safe haven. Gold is sitting quietly, but investors left the chat. Finally, gold down.